Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today let's learn a topic from biology, that is diagnostic test. It is useful for competitive exams. Subscribe my channel, enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Biology diagnostic test. First, let's start with DOT test. DOT test is used to diagnose tuberculosis. Now let's see some more tests. These are TST, Mantoux test and Tyne test. TST is tuberculosis skin test. TST expansion is tuberculosis skin test. It is also for the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Next is Mantoux test. Mantoux test is also for tuberculosis. Next one is Tyne test. Tyne test, that is also for tuberculosis. So the four diagnostic tests are DOT test, tuberculosis skin test, Mantoux test and Tyne test. Here we are writing as Mantoux, but pronunciation is Mantoux. So these four tests are for tuberculosis. Next one is Vidal test. Vidal test is for the diagnosis of typhoid. Next one is Schick test. Schick test is used for the diagnosis of diphtheria. Next one is glucose tolerance test. Glucose tolerance test is to find out diabetes mellitus. Next is tourniquet test. Tourniquet test is for the diagnosis of dengue fever. Next one is ELISA test. ELISA test is for screening test. ELISA test is a screening test for HIV and AIDS. HIV expansion is human immunovirus and AIDS expansion is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So it is a diagnostic test and screening test. Next is Western blot test. Western blot test is the confirmatory test for AIDS. So Western blot is a confirmatory test. Next is PCR test. PCR expansion is polymerase chain reaction. So polymerase chain reaction test, this is also a diagnostic test for AIDS. Next one is NEVA test. NEVA test is also for the diagnosis of AIDS. So these four tests, that is ELISA, Western blot, PCR and NEVA, these four tests are for AIDS. Next one is VDRL test. VDRL expansion is Venereal Disease Research Laboratory. VDRL test is for the diagnosis of syphilis. And one more test is there for the diagnosis of syphilis, that is Wassermann test. Wassermann test is also for the diagnosis of syphilis. Next is Ross Bengal test. Ross Bengal test is to find out dry eye. In case of dry eye, we can identify that using this test. Next one is Snellen chart test. Snellen chart test is to find out distance vision. So Snellen chart test is used for distance vision. Next one is histamine test. Histamine test is for the diagnosis of leprosy. There is one more test, that is Lepramine test. Lepramine test is also for the diagnosis of leprosy. So histamine test and Lepramine test both are used for the diagnosis of leprosy. Next one is Ishihara test. Ishihara test is used to find out color blindness. So Ishihara test is for finding out color blindness. Next one is mammography. Mammography is for the diagnosis of breast cancer. Next is pap smear test. Pap smear test is for cervical cancer. It is cervical cancer. So pap smear test is for cervical cancer. And next is biopsy test. Biopsy test is for cancer. In biopsy, we are taking some tissues from the affected area and we are doing test, that is biopsy test. And pap smear test is for cervical cancer. Next is Rinne test. Rinne test is to identify conductive hearing loss. So Rinne test is for the diagnosis of conductive hearing loss. Next one is direct Coombs test. Direct Coombs test is for the diagnosis of hemolytic anemia. So we can identify hemolytic anemia using direct Coombs test. So that's all about today's topic. If you liked the video, like, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.